Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want presentation about organophosphate insecticide. First of all, I want to introduce our group. My name is Putri Alvita Zahra, and my partner is Shauma Hendrit Nurhaliza. First is poison mechanism. Organophosphate insecticide exert their toxic effect through the following mechanism. 1. Inhibition of acetylcholinesterase or ACHE. The primary mechanism of action is the inhibition of ACHE, an enzyme that degrades the neurotransmitter acetylcholine or ACH into choline and acetic acid. 2. Hyperstimulation of muscarinic cholinergic receptor and nicotinic cholinergic receptors. Inhibition of ACHE leads to excessive stimulation both MACHRS and nicotinic cholinergic receptors in the peripheral and central nervous system. 3. Cholinergic crisis. Acute inhibition of ACHE by less than 60 until 70% causes a cholinergic crisis, a clinical toxidrome characterized by muscle fasciculation and weakness, parasymptomatic signs, depression of respiratory control centers in the brainstem, seizures, and death. And this is some of the signs and symptoms of toxicity for organophosphate insecticides include muscarinic symptoms. These symptoms are a result of the inhibition of acetylcholinesterase and the excessive stimulation of muscarinic cholinergic receptors. 2. Central nervous system or CNS symptoms. These symptoms may include confusion, disorientation, seizures, and coma. 3. Gastrointestinal symptoms. These symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. 4. Respiratory symptoms. These symptoms may include shortness of breath, cough, and respiratory depression. And 5. Cardiovascular symptoms. These symptoms may include hypertension, bradycardia, and heart failure. 6. Neuromuscular symptoms. These symptoms may include weakness, paralysis, and tremor. 7. Dermatologic symptoms. The symptoms may include skin irritation, dryness, and diaphoresis. 8. Ophthalmic symptoms. These symptoms may include pupil dilation, blurred vision, and eye pain. And this is the picture of type of receptor involved in OB poisoning. The next will be continue with Shauma.
Right now, I want to explain about antidotes and their mechanism. First is atropine, the second is pralidoxime, and the third is benzodiazepine. Atropine. Atropine sulfate competitively antagonists ACE muscarinic receptor to reverse excessive secretion, mucosis, bronchospasm, vomiting, diarrhea, diaphoresis, and urinary incontinence. It works by blocking the muscarinic cholinergic receptor, thereby helping to alleviate symptoms such as bradycardia, bronchoria, and bronchospasm. The second is pralidoxime. Pralidoxime acts to regenerate ACHE. It is administered when either nicotinic toxicity is present or atropine doses exceed standard ACLS or PALS recommendation. Pralidoxime prevents the excessive stimulation of muscarinic cholinergic receptor and nicotinic cholinergic receptor, resulting in a rapid improvement of the symptom of toxicity and a decrease in the absorption of the insecticides. And the last is benzodiazepines, or we usually call it diazepam. It works by enhancing the activity of gamma aminobutyric acid, or GABA, inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. The mechanism of action involves 1. Increasing the affinity of GABA for its receptor, which results in a decrease in the excitability of neurons. 2. Slowing down the spontaneous activity of neurons, leading to a reduction in the release of neurotransmitter. 3. Reducing the threshold for anticonvulsant activity, which help to control seizures in patients with organophosphate poisoning. And that's all from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.